Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna do the unboxing and full review for the new Minisopuru 10-in-1 dual display docking station. And as we can see here, it can connect dual display in the same time. It has multi-functions and max of 15 watts output with Type-C ports. So let's open it and see what comes inside the box, and also we'll try to connect on the monitor as well. Let's get started. So first of all, here we have the station itself, or the docking station. We'll get back to it later. Again, inside the box here we have Type-C cable, Type-C to Type-C braided cable. It feels so premium material. And also we have USB flash memory here, which it has the manual how to use the docking station for the first time, and some files which it's required in your first installation. And also we have the OTG here, which comes with Type-C to Type-A as well. And here we have the DC adapter. This one, it's UK version. Okay, first of all, the docking station, actually it feels so premium with the finishing, the top here. Also it has the silicone rubber here to make the station stable on any desk or any table, so it will not move. So as you can see, we have punchy of ports on the front side, also punchy in the ports on the back side here. So as you can see from the left side here, we have the switch light indicator, and also it works as a power button. Plus also we have two USB-A. The first one on the left here, it can transfer up to 5 gigabit per second only for data transfer, and the second one here, it can deliver for power delivery up to 7.5 watts. Plus also we have the USB-C, which it works as a data transfer 5 gigabit per second, plus also it can support the power delivery up to 15 watts. And we have here the 3.5mm jack audio port, and we have also the two USB-A 2.0 to connect your mouse and keyboard, or also it works for data transfer. On the left side here, or the right side here, we have nothing at all, and we have back side also some ports, which are from the left side here. We have two USB-C, the first one here for the host, and the second one here for power delivery. It can support up to 100 watts of a charge. And we have the Internet LAN cable. It can support up to 1000 megabit per second. And plus we have also the two HDMI, which can support up to 2K of resolution and 60 Hz. And for sure we have the DC in, this one for the power delivery. The station feels so premium, and the ports are so organized, and also it's very small, so it will not take space in your table. If you are connecting a lot of wire, you don't need to have a lot of mess around your PC. With the docking station, it will be well organized. If you are connecting the HDMI, it will be in the back side, so it will not come from the front to back. It will be exactly going through to your display. And also the size of the docking station is very small, so you will have no problem with the size if you keep it in your table or on your desk. So as you can see here, I have this laptop which comes only with Type-C port, so I cannot connect any HDMI to this laptop. Simply with Minisopuru, I can connect more than 10 devices same time from the laptop to the screen as well. So what I have done here, you just need to connect the HDMI to the screen and go for the port here and connect it. And Type-C cable from the laptop to the docking station in the host port. And now simply you can get your laptop screen to the screen itself. and you can connect one more screen, so you can have two screens connecting to the same device, which is the laptop. Plus also you can use the ports here if you want to connect any mouse or any keyboard. You can also connect the 3.5mm audio jack. And from the back side, as we can see, you can connect one more HDMI port to the other screen, and also you can connect the internet cable here. And if you want to charge your phone, you can still use this port to deliver up to 100 watts of supercharge. And you can still use the Type-C here for power delivery to charge your phone, or even to charge any other device as well. So as you can see, I can use this file to send it to the other screen. At the same time, I can use another video here in this laptop, and even you can connect like your keyboard in the front. So still you can type or use any other USB, like you can put your flash memory, you can put your mouse, you can connect one more display. All of this you can use it with the Minisopuru docking station. So the Minisopuru docking station is the ideal docking station you can use to connect so many ports at the same time without any issue. So guys, I will leave the link in the description. If you want to check the item by yourself, you can visit the Minisopuru website, or if you have any question, you can just come back and ask in the comment. I'll get back to you. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.